Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara Kits. I am honored to be on their design team, and I am using the Sweet Summer Kit, sorry. I'm getting confused. The Sweet Summer Kit, and it is full of all kinds of Carta Bella goodies. So the collection I'm mostly focusing on this time, it is from Sunflower Summer, because I've got this photo of my daughter with a giant sunflower, and that was taken in Traverse City, Michigan. I'm looking at this piece of wood grain. This one is from, what's the name of the other collection? Roll With It. And I love a wood grain, so I have that. Now we also have in the cardstock kit this textured cardstock in black, and I thought this would be glorious together. I don't even know what I want to do yet. This may just be matting the photo. I'm not quite sure. But let's start with this textured cardstock in black as being, I think we're going to start with it as being my background. Okay, we have now committed. The branding strip is cut. So then what I think I'll do, I have ideas. Now, I don't know if you can see here, I fussy cut out an entire sheet from this collection because it is exquisite. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, so about that much. How much is that much? So I'm going to cut a couple strips of this 2.5 inches wide. So let's go ahead and just cut it right here. If I need to cut it down more, ooh, it looks like I need to go 2. 2.5 seemed too wide. Let's see. That, or do I want 1.5? I'm not quite sure. I think I want 1.5. I am telling you people stories. I am not sitting here being honest at all. Okay, let me go like this. So 1.5. I'm going to get a couple of them. If I need to bring in that other one, I will. Okay. All right. That shouldn't have been that confusing, but hey, we got to decide as we go. So I'm going to do that. I also want to grab this, and I'm going to cut a couple 1.5 inch strips as well. But why don't I decide how wide it's going to be first? I want just a couple of these. I think bringing in that wood is going to be great. So let me go ahead and do a trim. And then just a couple pieces. This is the backside, by the way. It's a very nice deep teal tone. Adds lots of contrast, but I'm going to have lots of black and white going on with Sunflower Extravaganza in a second. So bear with me. I also feel like scuffing these pieces up and making them nice and messy. Okay, so 5 will do it for now. Perfect. So we have this. Let's see. I just want them on here, right? And if something seems too long, like these do seem too long, I want to get them all scuffed up. And then I think I'm going to see how it feels to put these sunflowers that I went ahead and cut in a nice kind of diagonal coming down. So let me see. Just cascading down, 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 because I love them. I just love them so much. I think they are stunning. Now I have to map my photo still. Ooh, this one has all these goodies on it. We have another one that has plenty on it. So that can be the end one because it ended on this paper. And then you guys look at them. Would you look at it? It is going to be so pretty. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. And having the sunflowers come down, I need to map my photo with just a scrap of white cardstock so that it really can show. And then, you know what? We have some red in this as well. It's on the other side of my chicken paper, guys. Where's my chicken paper? Did anybody see where we put the chicken paper? I know you have. I think the red, it's either going to be the red or the pink. Guys, I have this, but I was seeing if I had any more of the rest of that paper so I don't have to cut into it. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice little photo mat. I think with the red, I think that would be really cute. Oh, here it is, chicken paper. Okay, so I'm going to give myself a white and red photo mat. I think since this is a scrap as well. This one's called Sunflower Garden. That's what I cut all that from. I'm going to go ahead and give ourselves a triple mat, scuff it all up, and start arranging. So I've got a few sunflowers down, and I'm looking at the title because I feel like I should kind of get that hammered in. And it is, this word sweet is just like absolutely a beautiful color match for my mat. And I like that it's sticking up a little tiny bit. I think I'm going to grab a couple of little pop dots and keep it like that. I like the shadow. All right, so I might be sweet summer. I love this little summer word. I'm not quite sure. Or do I bring in, oh my gosh, wouldn't that be cute to bring in the red? Hold on. Oh, the drama. Oh, the drama. It's just a little too big. I love that though. Okay. Sorry, Sweet Journey would be cute. Sweet Summer is cute. I just saw this red word that reads Journey. So that's kind of cute too. I like the idea of bringing in just a little bit of the red, but I want to make sure it's nicely tucked close to the title. All right, so we've got it. It is Sweet Journey. So I'm going to just get a couple little pop dots and see if I can't keep it just slightly up. I think this one has to go under here, just at the top. There we go. So we have Sweet Journey. Love that. Now, if we take a look-see right here, I've got myself just a few little bits and bobs, and I'm gonna see about getting them all on this layout. So I'm not gonna put you through looking all of that because that's gonna be a lot, but guys, look at how fun. Just this cascade, for the most part right here, of these gorgeous sunflowers. Now, if I took this one off, and do I want to carry it more like this? So you can see like a massive amount of, oh, I kind of like that. I was gonna say, so you can see just more of that diagonal. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna get all kinds of bits and pieces in here, you guys, and I haven't even like looked at this in relation to this layout. It's just one of these things, like these kits are just, so stand close to people who feel like sunshine. Stop it. How do we tuck that in right here? Oh, I like that. That is such a great sentiment. Let me see, do I want it without this piece? Oh, yes, I do. Okay, so I'm gonna get way too many pieces on here because I want to. And I will come back when we are just finishing up. I think we'll probably finish this off with just, okay guys, that is so cute. We get that little tiny, like, we're gonna probably finish it up with some foamy pieces, a little bit of confetti, but I'll come back when we're just a little bit closer to that point. But look at what a great little sentiment that is to tuck in. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna play for a bit. I'll be back. So I have all of the die cuts that I need to get on here in place. I feel good about that between the fussy cut pieces, little die cut pieces. Let's look next at these little bits and bobs. Now we have lots of yellow and lots of red on here, and I think that's super cute. So do I wanna bring in more of the red? I don't even think you see it because I, really concentrated on that color palette. So maybe we can tuck in some of these that are kind of like these smaller, really pretty. There's just like little artwork on them. So cute. So we'll just tuck those in. So I have one there, maybe one right there. So that keeps that interesting. Fine. And then let's see what's next. Now in these pieces, that's plenty of that. I used so many of the cute things up because I love it. Let's see, never stop, be brave, today is full of possibilities. Nope, I have enough black on here. And we have all of these like blacky brown centers that are perfect. Just wanted to make sure that I have everything on there that I was gonna have on there before I come in with lots of little confetti bits, but I think we're good. Phew. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle some confetti around, guys. So in the meantime, let me tell you, I will have a couple links down below. I'm going to have links for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club, the website, so you can subscribe, get your hands on the kits, all of that kind of stuff. For the Facebook group, so that you can join in on the sketch challenge of the month. That's a challenge where it's like a random choice, randomly selected, however you want to put it. It's a Facebook challenge for the sketch, and you can find all of that on the website. That's what I did with my first layout of the month, was using the sketch challenge. So then, where's my little stick, guys? Where is it? I just had it. Okay, it's not up there. Here it is. So what else to tell you? Oh, I will have a couple links down below for you guys to get. I told you, hands on the kits, Facebook group, and I think that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and put a few still shots to follow. I think I'm going to start with these really bold, larger yellow ones and then see where I go. I'm going to have a few still shots to follow, guys, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Still shots right there. Bye, friends.